Well, today we're taking some stuff into the scrap yard, which is that stuff right there. Not the dolly, but the other stuff. And then to take a bunch of these into the e-waste drop-off spot, which is the transfer station. These are all computers that haven't been gutted or anything like that. They all got motherboards and all that good stuff in them. Up here, there's no money in this stuff. We are 160 miles north of Sacramento, and the actual closest place to take stuff like this to get money for it is in Stockton. And even then, it doesn't pay that much. So we pretty much lose everything up here in the north state of California. So they go to the e-waste station and get dumped off for the cost of gasoline to get there. As for this stuff here, we got what used to be a 8-foot fluorescent light fixture. The only thing I pulled out of it was the ballast, which went right there. The ballast are worth a little bit, not much. We also got some pedestal for front load washer or dryer. A couple other pieces for, I believe one piece here is for the front lower portion of a dryer, and then 2 lids from a washing machine. And then some completely gutted computer towers, no circuit boards or anything like that in them. Some of them do have other like screws and metal pieces inside of them to give them some weight. So we'll be dropping those off at the recycling center. I do have one other machine that's already on I guess a running tag, as you call it. So that'll be on our tag also when we get it. The reason I'm doing this, I just want to show everyone that is in the scrapping thing just what we're actually getting price per ton here. It used to be like $5 per ton to bring in basic tin stuff like this, and just recently it went up to 15. So I'm not exactly sure what I'm going to get this time, because the prices are just literally all over the board, but they are extremely low here. You can go down to Sacramento and it's probably close to $100 a ton, and it seems like the further south you go, the prices go up. I know in other states it's well over $100 a ton for crap like this. Anyway, we'll get going. Before I go, I gotta clean the windshield. Believe me, the whole truck needs a bath, but you guys got to see. So do I. Now we're coming up to the scrapyard. go, and once I get there, a different spot. So far, the last few weeks I haven't been too bad. Morning. They charge $10 for anything with free on it. It's just what's in the back here.
Okay, just 10?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's it. Everybody at this place is pretty cool. Never really had an issue with anybody. Most of the people that I see on a daily basis or even on a monthly basis know me by first name. I know their names. I just call them by their last name typically. Trailer. Right in reverse. And unload. Have a good day. Today I'll find out if I get a flat tire or not from this place. Come in here quite often, need some run flats. This place that went down rather quick and had to stop and put on a spare. All other times I went home and went out the next morning and noticed it was flat. I'll just come in. And there you have it. 10 price on both of them. 180 pounds for the first one, 160 pounds for the second one, at $15 a ton. Got $1.35 for the first one and $1.20 for the second one, with a total of $2.55. We're leaving the scrapyard. We are on our happen. Normally I just kind of pull up, unload, and go. Just computer towers and some other e-waste. It's all in the trailer.
Damn, where's it coming from?
My dad's garage.
Dad's garage? You have an appointment today?
Do I?
Yeah.
No.
You can't take it today. You gotta call and make an appointment.
Since when?
You have to, if you have 10 or more of one item, you have to call and make an appointment or else you can't take it.
That's the first time I've ever heard of that.
It's on the website.
I've been coming in here for years and dropping off stuff like this,
10
and
or more have to
no
have an
one's ever
appointment.
told me that.
How many you got?
I don't know, probably 13.
Yeah, man, you have to call. Because it's early in the morning.
Get me the other guy over there, because I've been coming here for years doing this and no one else has ever told me that.
Well, it's on the website. I can go grab him.
Yeah.
And then you'll ask him.
There he is right there.
You got like 15 computer towers. Yeah, in the future, if you have more than 10 items, you need to give us a heads up.
That's all good. I don't mind that as long as someone tells me next time or something like that, but he is just flat out refusing.
Start the first gate there, just jump in there.
You got it. And there you have it. The first time I ever had a fucking problem here. Trying to tell me I gotta make an appointment. I brought more than this in here before and no one's ever said anything. Because I had 5 of them. Like, give me a break. They get paid for this shit. I'm about the only person. There might be a couple other people that do it, but I'm one of the only few people that come in here and know exactly where everything's got to go, and it eliminates work for them so that they can concentrate on their job a little more, doing shit that, you know, for people that don't know where things go. I always know the computer towers go in number 1, generally waste go in 2, 3, and then sometimes 4. And bin 5 is for TVs and such. I think that's changed though just recently, and I don't mind anybody telling you, you know, things change a little bit. But once they tell me that, then I know the next time that it's been changed. So when I come in here and drop off stuff, I do it, and they have me stopping there does not make their job any harder or does not make them have to do any extra work. I save them time. And when I got someone that's new that wants to come up and start telling me the rules, they're wasting my time and they're wasting their own. It's all good because you didn't know who I was, because he's never probably seen me there before, but that's why I asked for the other guy. As soon as I asked for him, there he was walking that way. I said, yeah, go ahead. Just next time, yeah, just remember it's 10 or under. You gotta make an appointment. So next time I come in, I'll just bring 10. do when I go out and about. I try to make my trips as compact as possible. So sometimes if I have to go to the scrap yard, dump off some stuff, have to go to the recycling center to dump off some stuff, if I have to go to the store, say Walmart, or if I have to go somewhere else to get something else, I try to make a route so that it's more simplistic to do instead of